You're probably overcomplicating how to make money online. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how AI is making money for me by finding properties like this with cheap Facebook ads for real estate investors, bringing them hundreds of leads per year and making them hundreds of thousands of dollars in return. And this actual client has ended up making over $1 million with the system that I'm going to be sharing with you. And I'm going to share with you how I'm doing this all across the country with $0 of my own money or needing a real estate license. I dropped out of school 8 years ago. I learned the skill set that I'm going to be sharing with you in this video, and I've never had to work a job. So let me share with you what I do, and before I do that, let me make sure you know that this is real and this actually can get you paid if you do it correctly, okay? So this is my actual Stripe account, so you can see these are actual payments from learning this skill set, okay? So here is what I do, all right? I generate motivated seller leads for real estate investors, all right? And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna share with you what I sell, and then I'm going to share with you how you can use AI to learn this skill. So let me share with you first what I sell and how it all works. So this is my website that I use to collect payments from customers, which are real estate investors, okay? And so these people are signing up for my product because I help them generate motivated seller leads. And motivated seller leads are just simply people that need to sell their house fast. And one of the reasons why this skill set is so valuable is because how much of a profit these real estate investors can make if they just find one homeowner that needs to sell their house, okay? I have one client who from one of the leads we generated, literally made $395,000 from just one lead that I generated them, okay? And so this is what I sell. I sell a software, and I'll show you inside it and how it works, but this is the sales page. So I sell a software, right, that real estate investors are interested in because it helps them find these properties, all right? So they watch the video, they click get started, they go to the pricing page, and then what I'm selling it for right now is $297 per month, okay? And so what happens is when they, fill out their information and they pay, they automatically get created into my white labeled Go High Level. If you're new to Go High Level, that's its own video in and of itself, but basically it's the software that I use to build my entire business, okay? And because I have a Go High Level account, I can give these investors access to my proven system on Go High Level, and so I'll show you how it works. So once the investor signs up on that sales page, they are taken into my Go High Level, and I have a free 30-day Go High Level trial if you're interested in modeling what I'm doing and testing it out for yourself. You can basically, check out the information on that down below. But once they sign up, right, they have access to all of these different ad templates that are proven to generate these motivated seller leads, people that need to sell their homes fast. And so they just go through, they pick one of the templates. I'll just pick this one for the sake of the example. And then once they choose this particular ad template, all they have to do is put in their budget. They put in their website URL, which we give them, and it's actually inside of this system here. And they choose where they want to get the leads. So they just, go right here and they can just type Alabama. And then they simply launch the campaign. And you can see here we're targeting, 1.7 to 2 million people, right, that may need to sell their home. So they launch this campaign. And then what starts to happen is the leads come through the system and they get messaged by an AI booking bot. And the AI booking bot will basically start to qualify them and ask them, when they need to sell, what their asking price is, why they need to sell, if there's anything we need to know about the property, the condition, collecting photos, all that stuff. The AI bot does it, right? And so when you have these two things in place, just simple, the Facebook ads to generate the leads, the AI booking bot to qualify the leads and get them to book an appointment, as well as these automations right here that will follow up with the leads. So these are just text and email follow-up sequences that I built. Then you literally have a multi-six-figure skill, okay? So that's what I sell. And then let me show you how you can basically duplicate this for yourself without having to learn everything that I've learned, okay? Okay, so the way that we're going to do this, right, is we need proven ads, and then we need to have, this software, which I told you is Go High Level, so anyone can access that. So you don't have to recreate that. You just need some good ads and some simple follow-up messages, right? And so the first part of solving this problem is, running the proper ad, running a correct ad. And so the way that we can do this is really cool because we don't have to go and spend a bunch of money and gamble on if these ads are going to work. We can actually borrow the ad spend of other people, all the money they've spent, all the time and effort they've spent, and just see what ads they're running. So we can go to Facebook Ads Library and we'll see if we type in this keyword cash offer, which is usually what people will use in their ad when they're targeting motivated sellers, is we can put in this cash offer keyword and we can then filter by how long the ad has been active. So we can go back, let's just go back to June 15th, over 6 months ago, these ads would be active for at the time of this recording. And now we can see all of these ads that have been running for that period of time. And so once you have all these ads that are proven, we want to look for patterns in the actual ads. So maybe we'll notice, that different pages, you can actually see, oh no, that's the same person, but we want to see if there's any sort of patterns in these actual ads, whether it be in the style of video, whether it be the same type of image or the same type of graphic. Any sort of pattern we can identify is going to be useful, okay? Once we find one that has a pattern here, I'm not going to go through the whole thing. We'll just pick this one as an example. We can basically use AI to copy and paste and then rewrite these ads so that we have our own. So if we go here, you can see we can use AI to rewrite these ads. So you just copy and paste those ads, then have it rewrite a different variation of that ad, right? And you can have it do 5 or 10 different variations of that ad. And then once you have that, right, you may be wondering, well, I don't have an image or a video that, that these people do. Well, if we use this, ChatGPT as well, we can simply create a image of a distressed property that basically we can use in our ad as well. And if you actually go through some of these different videos, I'm pretty sure that that's an AI avatar right there. You'll see people that are actually using AI generated images, okay? So it's not like we're just guessing that those ads will work. You'll find people that are using AI image ads. And by the way, if you guys are looking for patterns and what type of templates have been working, this ad has been running for, over a year and a half. Okay. So when I tell you there's a science to figuring this out, I genuinely mean it because this ad's been running for a year and a half. Okay. So you find the ad image, then you find the ad, copy right there. Then you can use AI to basically rewrite the image, rewrite the copy and regenerate the image. You can also use Fiverr. So you can go to fiverr.com and you can type in UGC. And basically you can find these people that make ads for you and you can basically have them do the ad for you if you want to do that. Now, what I'd recommend doing first is talking to potential customers and, sharing with them your system first before you go and spend money on it. But just in case you're wondering, oh, well, how do I get videos or stuff like that? There's no excuses why you can't learn this skill and get started like literally this week. Okay. So you find the proven ads, you find the proven copy, you rewrite the ad copy, you regenerate the ad images, and you're pretty much 90% there. Now, the last component is the booking bot. So if you use my link for a free Go High Level trial, inside of the software, you don't have to build any sort of booking bot or anything like that. You can basically just click a few buttons and then the booking bot just goes into the actual software. So all you have to do is what's called prompt it, which is just giving the bot some instructions. And same thing for the bot instructions. You can go to ChatGPT and say, write a booking bot prompt targeted to motivated sellers that we need to qualify as leads. And then boom, here comes the output. So this is what's taken me pretty much 8 years to learn. And you guys can really use AI to rewrite the ads, use AI to generate the images, use software to create a booking bot, and then use AI to generate the prompt and now just go and get customers. And if you're wondering, how to get customers, this is what I used to do when I started, and I did a post yesterday just to show you guys how this works. But you just friend people in these real estate investor groups, and then you do a lead magnet post like this, comment, and then just DM these people and just show them, how it works, and then you'll get customers. I don't know if it could even be easier. Or more simple, I should say. It takes time, but it's one of the most practical skills you can learn in today's world is generate leads that have really high ticket value and then sell them to the businesses that need them. It's that simple. And just so you guys can see too, this is an actual screenshot from one of my customers who's using my system. So generating their leads and using the AI booking bot. And just like this, it booked an appointment right there, like 4 days ago or 3 days ago, right inside of the system. So if you're interested in this, I would invite you to partner with me on Go High Level. Like I said, you can click the link below to get a free trial. And then when you get that free trial, that will get you access to my in-depth course on how to do each one of these steps in more detail, like step by step. It'll also get you access to the system that I use for providing this, to investors. It's not the exact system, but it gives you all the pieces you need to just assemble it for yourself. And then there's also a community of like 260 other people that are in the community doing the same thing. And there are some templates in there to make all this way easier. And I also jump on a weekly one-on-one call with you to answer any questions that you may have. So if you're interested in that, just partner with me on Go High Level. It's completely free to try it out. There's no contracts or anything. And the reason I do it this way is because you're going to need this software to actually run your business if you plan to do this. So I'll see you on the inside, and I'll talk to you then. Bye-bye.